Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sujit here from Benzene, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how to create or add a new status to one of your ticket types. So let's start. Now let's say you want to add a new status to one of your ticket types and you want to visualize that on your board. All you have to do is go to your project, come to your navigation panel, go to your project settings. Once you are in your project settings, all you have to do is navigate to workflows. You will be directed to a page as shown on the screen right now. This screen helps us understanding what workflow is used for which issue type or ticket type in your project right now. So all you have to do is click on this edit button for the issue type where you want to change the workflow. In this example, I'm going to change the workflow for the subtask or task here, and this is the workflow right now. So let's see how we do it. Click on edit. You will be directed to a page as shown on the screen right now. This is a textual format. You can also go select the diagram format here. This will open up a diagram editor. Once you're on the screen, it's pretty simple to add a status. Let's say in this example, I will add a new status called as deployed in QA in between ready for QA and in QA. All I have to do is click on add status and give the name of the status. I'm going to give deployed in QA as we discussed and click on add. So the moment you add this, you will have to select the category of work that is. Basically, there are three categories which Jira understands for different statuses. One is to do, in progress, or done. You can create multiple statuses with different names, which are mapped to either of these three statuses. So once you click on create, your status is available and you can see that on your screen and it is here. So in the example I told you, I wanted to create a new status called deployed in QA in between ready for QA and in QA. So it is important for us to add also the transitions. So I'm going to add two transitions, one from ready for QA to deployed in QA, and the other one from deployed in QA to in QA. So you do that by clicking on add transition here. Once you click on add transition, you'll have to select the from status, which is in our case ready for QA, and to status, which is the new status which we created right now. And I'm going to name it deployment to QA. So once I click on this, the transition is already available and in your workflow. I'm going to add another transition. Again, clicking on transition, select your from, which is deployed in QA, and to status in QA. I'm going to name it as QA ready. And once you click on add, here it is. We created a new status, which is called as deployed in QA. And we added the ticket to transition from this state, which is ready for QA, to the newly created status. And from there to the next status. So everyone, that is how we create or add a new status in your workflow, in our workflow. But there's a catch here. If you're in your team managed project, it is quite straightforward to add a status. While if you're in a company managed project, you will have to talk to your admin, Jira admin, to add a new status. So that's how we add or modify our statuses or workflow in Jira. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it helped.